The word we'll be learning in this section is 契約, which you will often hear in business discussions, legal contexts, or any formal setting where terms need to be formally agreed upon. The word 契約 means contract or agreement in English. It refers to a formal agreement or understanding between two or more parties, usually documented and legally binding, covering terms and conditions agreed upon by all parties involved. The first kanji means a pledge or vow and carries the sense of making a binding promise. In words like keiki, it brings the idea of a decisive moment that contracts change, and chigiri, it directly signals a sworn promise or bond. The second kanji means roughly to promise or approximate, involving restriction or arrangement. In words like yakusoku, it expresses an agreement made between people, and in yoyaku, it shows arranging or booking something ahead of time. We make a contract. 私たちは契約を結ぶ。私たちは契約を結ぶ。He broke the contract. 彼は契約を破った。彼は契約を破った。The contract has been suspended. 契約を停止しました。契約を停止しました。I signed the contract. 契約書にサインしました。契約書にサインしました。The most common synonym of the word 契約 is 合意, while 契約 refers specifically to a formal legal document or agreement. 合意 can be used more broadly for mutual understandings or consents which might not necessarily have legal backing. The most common antonym of the word 契約 is 解除, while 契約 refers to forming or entering an agreement. 解除 refers to the act of canceling or terminating such an agreement.